veggies, what a feat. Chop, 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 goes the knife, in the kitchen full of life. Cabbage here and carrots too, all the colors quite a view. Into the pan they tumble down, cooking now, no need to frown. Oil sizzling, salt's in place, kitty's got a smile on its face. Stirring quick with deft little paws, our chef never stops for applause. Tomatoes diced and onions fine, garlic adds a hint of shine. Pepper sprinkles dancing high, in the pan they swirl and fly. Kitty dances on the floor as the aromas start to soar, spicing up the kitchen air, making magic with such flair.